Hi, I am Nadir, Dolphin Product Specialist. Today, I am here to solve your concerns related to PU sealant. Is the price your main criteria for buying PU sealant? Let us understand the relation between price and volume of the PU sealant. Volume of the PU sealant is directly proportional to its price. Higher the price, higher the volume. As you go cheaper with the price, volume of the sealant decreases. Are you choosing cheaper priced products? Are you getting the correct volume for the price you are paying? It may only have 450 milliliters, or 500 milliliters, or 550 milliliters, or 600 milliliters sausage with correct volume. Please guys, be careful about the volume of the product. Now let us understand the relation between price and quality of PU sealant. As the price of the sealant increases, quality gets better with price. As you go lower with the price, quality of the sealant degrades. Please guys, make sure you are getting the quality product for the price you are paying. Let's understand what you get in cheap price. Low quality sealant. Cracks after cure. No proper adhesion between substrates. Change of color. Will the product not dry inside the sausage or cartridge? Try our European-made, premium quality, polyurethane sealant, Dolphin PU 45. Right value, for the right price. It guarantees excellent adhesion, high flexibility, zero cracking, and good chemical resistance. Get right weight with the right chemical properties and cover more area with 600 milliliters sausage. Be smart. Buy smart.